joined by Yedicek and Protz. Bulldogs going right to left across your speakers in the opening frame. And very quickly going to be Villeneuve and O'Brien will do it over again. O'Brien got the draw to Yedicek, but it was ripped away. Liam Lads, recently acquired by the Wolves from the Peterborough Peaks, puts it off the end wall.
Fifth round pick going the other way. Actually, Peterborough's fifth round pick getting returned to them.
Adam Bannock over for Owen Protz around the back of the net. Shuttled along the wall. Bannock twists away from pressure, rolls it up the wall. He'll collect off the right side. Bannock hits the brakes out top. Backdoor for O'Brien, wide open. Pinballs it to the front, and that'll be collected by the back-checking Alex Ferrall.
I think O'Brien was trying to play the bank shot on that opportunity just a moment ago, Reed.
That's not the guy you want to lose in coverage. O'Brien over the line again. Has Bannock in tight support, but three Wolves converge. Coughlin starts it, and that came off the...
Protz, once a member of the Sudbury Wolves, traded in a deal that saw Noah Van Vliet go the other way. And the Bulldogs picked up Protz and some valuable picks.
Jake O'Brien through the center circle.
And he has been solid ever since he arrived here.
Oh, certainly has. Drafted by the Montreal Canadiens. Perfect compliment for the Bulldogs at the right time as Lads pops the puck over the line and formed a very nice partnership with Adam Yedicek. They've been somewhat glued at the hip since Yedicek arrived.
Jay McKee matching that top line out here against Sudbury's top line.
O'Brien loaded Bannock out front, wanted Van Acker, and that just skipped wide.
Just a little bit too much to reach there for Van Acker to shovel that one in.
O'Brien shortened the stick up, looked like he was playing with a cricket bat. Have to ask him if he's got any experience. As Gonchar deep into his own zone.
Dylan Tishurner with the assist on the Holmes goal. And that is point number 1 of the season for Tishurner in his third game.
Alex Ferrall, the former Bulldogs first rounder. Puck didn't take the angle he wanted off the boards. Protz ahead to Bannock. Off the heel of his stick. Smith will be the first man back to find it. O'Brien jumps to the puck. Tried to feed that along to Sam McHugh. Cut around the back of the net. Ewells indirect. Onto the towering Kieran Walt.
All those numbers with a healthy dose of salt. But certainly a good start for this power play unit.
O'Brien high on the right. Didn't get the shot away that he wanted. And nice play made by Clayton. That rolling puck could have been big trouble. He was able to settle it between his skates and backhand it down the rink.
Sudbury penalty kill read 16th at 76.2%.
Yedicek up over the line. Will poke it wide for Caleb Maholtra. He's pursued by Odell. Yedicek steps down to help him out. Puck exploded off Yedicek's stick. Right on the spot was Blake Clayton, who must be thinking I have a magnet right now. Yedicek starting up and out of his own zone. Tried to feed that through the center circle. Got batted down. Came back to it. Bannock for Van Acker. Back to Bannock. Side of the goal. Tried Maholtra. Wouldn't land. Yedicek. Bannock on the right. Low for Maholtra. Out to the top. Yedicek. It had too much on it. It's going to come all the way down the rink. And Yedicek will switch off for Vladimir Trevetsky. David Egorov, patience to wait on that puck. Van Acker. Right corner, Bannock. Spun it on to Maholtra. Backside wanted O'Brien. That got batted away. Coughlin handles it down, and he'll rip that up and out of the zone with 44 seconds left in the power play. Trevetsky pursued by Provorov. He'll wheel back in neutral ice. O'Brien left in the first period, but the Sudbury Wolves to the power play, and this is the part they'll look to improve the most with Walton and Villeneuve. And
a couple shorthanded goals. We saw Jake O'Brien and Adam Bannock get those shorties.
Saw the replay of the high stick there from Trevetsky. Just got it up a little bit too tight on Villeneuve.
Yeah, and he had the double minor in the game last weekend, one of the home games last weekend against Peterborough. So just something to be mindful for. Again, adjusting to the North American game, right?
Yep. Artem Gonchar, the nephew of the legendary Sergei Gonchar. Plays that forward to Villeneuve. Kieran Walton on the swing. Over the line for Kovan. Played into the right wing corner. Puck bounced out, taken along by O'Brien, and he'll deal it on down the rink on the hop. Just laid that off the glass, but Blonda will turn it right back ahead.
Wave of fresh Bulldogs coming over the board there as that line had been out from about a minute and a half probably after the icing.
Van Acker wasn't able to deal that away from Clayton through the middle of the ice, and
Tishurner, Holmes, and Freeman just kind of got caught out there with, I think it was Buckman and Moore on
It's up ahead for Adam Banach, working against Artem Gonchar. Gonchar makes the physical play to get to the puck. Gonchar slides that ahead. No rest for Yudacek, who tosses on to Banach.
Saw a little bit of his uncle there in that play just a moment ago, didn't you? Gonchar.
You see those flashes for sure.
It's just smooth skater.
Sergei Gonchar, who was one of the preeminent offensive defensemen of his generation.
Instant power play.
Yes. And played with Bulldogs head coach Jay McKee with the Pittsburgh Penguins, which once again proves my theory that Jay McKee is the center of the universe. Everyone in the game seems to be at least 3 degrees of separation to Jay.
Sounds like an exercise we'll have to do one night.
Oh, it's actually quite mind-blowing.
Get our hockey DB or elite prospects and start to maybe a couple beverages to stimulate the thought process.
Absolutely.
And off we go.
I like the idea. Villeneuve through the center circle.
Some sustenance. We're there.
Van Acker blocked it down. Some wings, perhaps.
Sure.
Banach around the back. Edison Engel. Oh, what a cut. Along the left side, Engel keeps on going. Back out high for defense partner Trevetsky. Shot deflected and took a Super Bowl bounce. Ended up wide. Trevetsky from the right to Engel left. Left circle O'Brien. He'll gallop high. O'Brien hits the brakes in the eddy of the flow. Engel for Banach. Banach working down the right wing wall. Back on for Van Acker, and that one eventually stolen away as Walton will move it forward. And a lane opens up for Villeneuve, telling Walton where to line up as he's up against O'Brien. But the puck won on to Adam Banach with the flip past Walton. Wanted Van Acker onto the left, and the puck just bounced on him. Lads doesn't get it clear. O'Brien turns for Banach. Couldn't slide that through, just didn't have enough space to make the play past Gonchar. Liam Lads, more active offensively than we ever saw him in Peterborough. Wonder if Scott Barney has unlocked something with Liam Lads. Right wing side, Adam Banach, 2-on-2. Banach's drive, scores! He found a hole through Finn Marshall. In the blender so far this season.
Yeah, they've just looked a step above through that first 20 minutes of play.
And Banach blocked that down right to O'Brien, who scores! It took just 8 seconds into the second.
Feeling a bit like the amazing Kreskin on that moment there. We're just singing the praises of this line, and they generate the turnover. A little trailing stick there by Banach slows it down, and Jake O'Brien.
I really think with what we've seen, Vladimir Trevetsky by mid-season is likely to be flying up that chart as Protz blocked off on the way through and very likely to be playing at the World Juniors as well for Czechia.
I think it was Jules who did a good job tying up the Bulldog forward in front of the net, but then also got the shot block in as well.
That make World Junior time a little tough for the Bulldogs as Banach, Yudacek, and
next man up, right?
Yeah.
And you've got Patrick Babin and Cameron Hankai who are at the ready, who aren't playing tonight. First round pick and David Buckman.
Well, Bulldogs have the pieces to be able to get through it. Puck to the middle of the ice. Turned over, O'Brien ahead to Banach. He's got Van Acker with him. Banach, Van Acker, Banach, saved by Marshall.
We're going to get stopped there by Marshall. Bulldogs maybe one too many fast, but would have been pretty if they'd connected.
Yudacek to Banach, settles it for O'Brien.
Sometimes you have to go for style points, right?
They were looking for it right there.
Almost a 3-on-0 as well.
You just see how quick his arm was up.
Yeah.
And now they got it all sorted out. Off the drop, more around the back to Gallagher, and down the sheet it goes. Kind of hard to blame the bench for the confusion. As Villeneuve, left side, Kovac for Villeneuve. Villeneuve keeps on going around the back of the net. The Wolves captain carries on to the left side. Gallops around once more, a second tour, a little Forsberg-esque. Walton to the top, Gonchar. Back to Walton. Villeneuve is directing traffic. He's trying to point out where it should be going. Villeneuve off the left. Berehowski for the slot. Didn't get to Kovan. Gonchar to Villeneuve. From the left side to the right, Walton's drive. Igorov across Roni with Odell and Blonda. For the Wolves on the second power play unit is Banach. Wanted it up ahead for O'Brien. Blonda was waiting in the weeds. The Pittsburgh Penguins elite product who played his draft season with Nicholas Rossetto. Did Luca Blonda. Aiden O'Donnell out of the box, even in full 5-on-5. And
Blonda also from Sault Ste. Marie, like Rossetto.
Well, wings it along for Walton. O'Brien's out of the box, even in full 5-on-5. Walton's drive. Save made by Igorov. Vladimir Trevetsky to the puck. Tosses it up and out. Lads lays it along to Gonchar.
Good display of which David Igorov shut the door.
And Norm, if my count is correct, that's 10 Bulldogs with at least a point after 12 last night. O'Brien.
That's the kind of math you can handle. It's up to 10.
That's right. I don't even have to take my shoes off. David Igorov makes the stop, the rebound. Oh my goodness gracious! How did Igorov stop that? Back with his stick along the goal line. What an outrageous stop.
You might see that on the highlight package at some point this week.
Oh, I have no doubt about that. The ability for the Bulldogs to go back and forth. Igorov and Leenders. And David Igorov is certainly saying, I am not going to let my battery mate run away with the gig. As O'Brien up ahead, skipped on Van Acker, and that's going to be icing.
Yeah, 4th round pick, right? Out of Brooklyn, Ontario.
Outstanding last year at the U18 level with the Ajax Pickering Raiders.
You got a sniff now last year, right? Played in
6 games?
9 games, couple points.
9 games?
And
I knew it was in that territory.
Yeah, 9 games. I looked it up.
There you go. Angle around the back of the net to Van Acker. Backside is Banach. Looking to twist that out front. Banach keeps going. Fed it through the crease. Bulldogs weren't able to navigate that out of the air. Trevetsky down the left side. Van Acker curls. Plays out high slot to Vladimir Trevetsky. The cycle is on. Trevetsky pauses. His shot hits end glass off the deflection. Van Acker tied up. Banach is next. O'Brien there to help him. O'Brien leaving on to Edison Engel back to the left. Engel walks down. He just missed the top corner. Puck's going to roll up and out of the zone. Chance to break the other way. Ferrand is there, and the man to make the play was Engel. And now O'Brien. 3 in the rush for the Bulldogs. O'Brien fakes the drop. Now to Van Acker, who pulls. And ow, that one hit Odell in the outside of the foot.
Yeah, right. We got no padding.
Jets in about a 12-hour window. That's a pretty good weekend. Well,
but it's good a hockey weekend as you can have off the ice.
Ferrand, backside. Villeneuve tries it through the crowd, and that one was deflected away. Combination of Van Acker and Banach and the Wolves on a Friday night to open up Thanksgiving weekend. As the puck is chipped up. And
about 3.5-hour drive from here to Erie.
Yep.
Whether they take that tonight or tomorrow, and then sometimes it'll pick a base, right, Reed? And then sort of on a trip like this, they
bounce around, yeah.
They might stay in Niagara and then go down there tomorrow, go down and back tomorrow, and then
I believe that's what the Wolves are doing.
And then play on Sunday.
Talking to radio voice David Bowen earlier on, and that sounded like that was the plan for the Wolves. As David Igorov will play the puck on his backhand, lost his footing, and still got back.
Yeah, scored 31 goals in his rookie season.
He did. Blonda's shot save made, rebound.
And as a true rookie.
Yes,
16-year-old.
Playing a lot of fourth-line minutes on that season and still put up 31. Banach around for O'Brien, who guns it back to the line. Engel, his toss, held off by Marshall. O'Brien to the middle of the line. Trevetsky, his drive, scores!
Well-placed, accurate shot through a crowd from just inside the blue line. You're going to see 29 there just drifting by the sponsor logos and just fires his puck on goal. And I think made Sudbury largely work for what they've had, the offense they've had to generate, the opportunities.
Walton off the drop, clattered it off back glass. Lads on to Villeneuve. Backside is Walton. Save made by Igorov. Puck taken by O'Brien. and it's to Dravetsky coming out of the box. Slides it forward to Banach, 1 against 2. Banach rolls away to O'Brien, snapped it around behind the goal.
We had the Coughlin breakaway, but not a whole lot of odd man rushes other than that for Sudbury.
Well, the Bulldogs have tightened it up from a night ago. Rotz, D to D for Yudacek. Guns it on ahead to O'Donnell. Great pass. O'Donnell challenging lads to the front of the net. Bouncing puck. O'Donnell get another whack at it. Marshall gets down on top of it. Jake O'Brien got knocked down in the crease, and that's going to draw a crowd. And Adam Banach getting a hold of... Puck was touched past the red line, so no icing.
We're in a bit of track meet here to end this one out. Chester looking lively tonight, isn't he, Reed?
Certainly is. There's now Banach, speaking of lively, to the slot. Fanned on the shot that ran into the back of Artem Gonchar. Kevin Yules through the middle of the ice. On to Walton. Pulls up. Missed wide. Villeneuve. He'll stop. Looking back to the line. Knocked down by O'Brien. On to Banach. He's got O'Brien with him. Rolling puck wouldn't sit for Adam Banach.
He was looking for O'Brien, wasn't he?
He was looking over his options, that's for sure. Engel tried to step in, now break the other way. Villeneuve for Walton to the front. David Egerov with a toe save. Absolute brilliance. Malhotra to Banach. Banach taking the wall by Gonchars. They continue a battle that's gone on all night.
Yeah, I think they're both...